A new orange-grey theme-colored Vande Bharat Express has hit the tracks at the Integral Coach Factory, ICF, in Chennai. A few weeks ago, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav had visited the coach factory and images of him inspecting the under-construction new orange-theme Vande Bharat Express had been shared. Now ready orange Vande Bharat Express, which has been rolled out today by ICF on its test tracks. Vande Bharat Express in its white and blue hues has become the image of Indian Railways makeover. Now ICF is experimenting with a new color theme, and only one rake of the orange-grey Vande Bharat will be manufactured to begin with. While the exterior has a new color, no changes have been made to the interiors of the Vande Bharat Express. The new batch of Vande Bharat Express trains already have 25 new improvements, and these have been included in the orange-grey train as well. The 8-coach AC chair car train will have enhanced safety features and tweakings in passenger amenities in line with feedback received from passengers. These include increase in reclining angle of seats, optimization of hardness of cushion, extended footrest for seats in executive chair car and seats in pleasant blue color, increase in wash basin depth to avoid splashing of water in toilets, improved accessibility of mobile charging point under the seats etc. As of now, Indian Railways operates 50 Vande Bharat Express train services, both side journeys included, on 25 routes. ICF is also in the process of finalizing the interior design of a sleeper variant of the Vande Bharat Express.